Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to show you guys some fun DIY Valentine's cards. Some of the items that you guys will be needing for this project are a phone or a camera, also some stickers or glitter hearts, some paper, and a printout of the photos that you guys will be taking. Also, you guys will be needing kisses, a balloon, lollipop, scissors, tape, and a hot glue gun. So you guys want to go ahead and go outside and take a few photos of your child, maybe blowing some kisses. You guys can also make her pose like if she were to be holding a balloon or a lollipop. You guys can also use your phone to edit your photos once you guys have done taking those photos and pick out the best photos. So you guys can print your own photos at home, or you guys can send them to get printed for you. Well, let's get started, guys. So the first DIY card that we are going to be doing is the one where Penelope holds a balloon. So as you guys can see, the first step is to cut out the photo. You guys can also use a glue gun, glue, or tape to glue the photo into your paper. So next you guys want to go ahead and tape the balloon to Penelope's hand as if she were to be holding the balloon. Next, go ahead and write a cute little Valentine's note. So how adorable is that Valentine's card? So for our second Valentine's card is actually one of my favorite ones because we get to add some chocolate to this Valentine's card. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting all around Penelope's body. So you guys want to make sure you guys cut out just her whole body. So next, go ahead and glue your photo to the bottom left corner. You guys will be needing some space to add the hearts and the kisses. It is like if Penelope were blowing kisses. And for the final step, you want to go ahead and write a cute little note. So this is our last Valentine's card, and is the lollipop Valentine's card. So go ahead and cut your photo and make sure you tape it or glue it to your Valentine's card. You go ahead and use your glue gun to glue your lollipop. You also want to go ahead and write your cute little note. I hope you guys enjoy this fun, personalized DIY Valentine's cards. They are perfect for grandparents, teachers, godparents, and friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIY videos.